Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to create a poll on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Head over to your WhatsApp application. Then make sure that you have logged in into your desired WhatsApp account from which you just want to add your poll. So head over to the specific group in which you want to create a poll. Suppose I'm going to this one, and then click on the text box. Here you will see a paperclip option, so click on it, and there under the audio option and beside the event option there is an option called poll. So tap on it, and here goes your create poll option. Just ask a question like are you guys joining today? And add the voting option, yes or no. You can add multiple options in here, and if you want to allow multiple answers, then toggle it on, and if you don't want people to answer multiple, just toggle it off, and then just send it on the paperclip button, and the poll will be created. And here goes your poll, and suppose you have voted for it and anyone other if have voted for it, then there will be the voting options and the polls result. And yeah, this is it. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.